As I film this, I'm actually going through editing one of the last vlogs I filmed. This is the one of me coming home and surprising my family. And out of the last two, due to extremely high demand, I'm gonna be making more. So that is what this video is. This is gonna be me. Right now it's Saturday night. I'm about to go have dinner with my grandparents at their house with the entire family, which can be a lot of fun since I do leave on Father's Day tomorrow morning at like 4 a.m. unfortunately. But it's gonna be really fun. Gonna be going out to Hollywood, spending a little bit of time up there. I can't exactly tell you what's going on during the week because I'm gonna make a separate video out of that, but it does involve real estate. So my buddies are gonna pick me up from the airport then. I'm super excited for this, but I'm gonna go from the airport into downtown LA and finally be picking up my car again, which I haven't driven in like 3-4 months. So yes, I still do have the M4. She's been sitting in storage, unfortunately, untouched. So excited to do a cold start and then go rip it up into the hills. I'm gonna be staying in Hollywood for about a day or two, and then you guys will be seeing the rest of what's going on this week in another vlog. I'm actually in my very extremely messy old room back here in Minnesota, which kind of nostalgic to be back. But I'm gonna pick this up tomorrow morning as I'm headed off to the airport. Might make a cool cinematic out of this, but I'm sure I'll be picking this up once I'm back in LA. Who do we have here? We got Dennis pulling up here in the little old AMG. Yes, sir. About to go pick up my car and then head up to the hills. I probably gotta get gas and fill my tires. I did get brand new tires, by the way, the day before I left, so we're gonna get to go enjoy that. But we got all this carbon fiber here, stitching. We got, oh, is it even on here? Look at look at those seats. That is legit. Let's rip this thing. Baby's back. Oh, yes, sir. All right, guys, we got Ori, who's been taking good care of the whip while it's gone. Oh, how's she looking? Fresh new tires. We got to change this. That's got to get changed. I'm gonna get it detailed. Oh boy, we are back, baby. Ecom. All right, guys, we found a good little Rolls Royce Bentley truck. There's a 488 in there too. Not too shabby.
No, you gonna tell me that you different and you changed.
All right, you guys already know. First things first, I'm gonna change that. We got the whip out here, gonna be getting some gas actually. As always, can anyone guess how much it's gonna cost? All right, I'll tell you. $35 to fill it from empty. It was on like 8 miles left. I left it empty when I stored it. Always got to leave it without gas. I actually heard that that's good for the car if you leave it with not a lot of gas so it doesn't just sit and all the crap settles to the bottom. But it feels really good to be back in LA, finally with the cars. Some of the buddies I was traveling with are still traveling. They're gonna be doing that for a little while. I am back here on a mission. I will be sharing what that mission is with you guys probably later this week in another video. Ooh, typical LA, pull up in another Beamer. Let's get it. But I do miss this. You know, they didn't really care about coming back too much because they all grew up here, but I just moved here. So super excited to be back. We're gonna be just finishing up getting some gas, then going up to the house in the hills for the night. Probably gonna go get some food, do some work, have some fun. I'm gonna introduce you to a few people, show you a couple more fun cars, and then we'll see where the day goes from there. Whoa, hang on, $4.60 a gallon? What happened while I was gone, Dennis? What the fuck? Bro. It was like $1 less. Oh my God. That's it, I'm done. Oh my God. You guys, I'm gonna have to sell the car. If anyone wants to rent it, let me know. All right, you guys, we made it up to the hills. As you can see, beautiful view of downtown LA. It goes all the way over though. I'm gonna show you the spot here real quick. And look at this beautiful view. All the way over. You can see Long Beach all the way over. Santa Monica's down there, up in the hills. Beautiful, beautiful spot. But we're about to run out and grab some food. Got a ton of people in here just working. Met a lot of cool people, and now we're just hanging out. Back in Hollywood, love this vibe. I missed it. This is nice. That is red guts too. It's locked, isn't it? Yeah. Woo! All of it, orange accents, boom, boom. Even with the seats, I love this. That's sick. And of course, the OG Beamer right up here in the hills, like 2 minutes off Hollywood Boulevard. Let's head off to Santa Monica. Cue the epic cinematic of Dennis White. Let's get it. We lost Dennis. Hey!
How do you do it here?
Yes, because they match my shirt. No, not a chance. But we're out here at Santa Monica finally, waiting on Dennis, getting some rolling shots, having some fun skating, just messing around. Definitely gonna catch a vibe. There's a lot of actually new competitor companies for Bird popping up, which is interesting. I personally like Bird. It's kind of like a status thing like Apple or Uber, but you get a lot of stuff where now there's a lot more Birds in general, like the scooters. So I guess from a consumer standpoint, a lot easier now to get some, but we're gonna go find some, probably grab some food and then head up to the pier, which is right up there, but first we gotta pay for parking. All right, we got the ticket for parking so that we don't get a parking ticket, and now we're out here trying to find some birds. We actually found this new one, Lime, which is made by the city. I don't think they're that sick. Nobody would ever put this in an Instagram photo. Like what is even going on here? It's got a little tag, save the environment, like what? I Lime Santa, yeah, okay. Good job, city. Good luck with that one. So we're gonna go find some birds somewhere out here, probably up closer to the pier, and go have some fun. Look who finally showed up. 20 minutes later, he was like a block behind us and got lost. Okay, nice parking job. Wow. Legend. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. 4 limes, 1 bird, and we haven't really left this area. Actually, there's one more over here, but it's dead. Oh, look at these red guts, by the way. But we're about to go take these out mobbing. What do you think of these so far? Lime versus bird?
Yeah, definitely.
Limes are good, they just don't look sick.
I think limes are easier to fucking get on.
The brakes are terrible though, look at this.
Hey, bird,
It's like,
brakes
yeah.
are terrible. I ain't gonna lie.
Brakes aren't working, but
I'm black and I'm British and I'm from Chirac. Get the money every day like I live life. Thinking about the life, but you can never live it though. Niggas acting like they really rock with you, then the photos that come out and shoot you in the face with it. Keep it laugh like Channel 9, nigga. They be talking about the ice on the chain, do they get that? I'm official like I'm usually on fate, nigga. Looking back at this life, I'ma get, nigga. Jesus, the finna go goddess. Looking at the bitch, but she never took her top off. Money got me on a whole nother level. Staying at my favorite car, a La Ferrari. $7 million when you hit the Jaguar. Staying at the money, but the money couldn't solve shit. Niggas acting like they really come and flock with you. Photos in the polo, you drop that. Niggas acting like they really wanna hit the block. Put your ass in the castle now, what the fuck? Never been the same, real to the game. Looking back up at the life, I'ma mix it with the chain, outside top, I put them in a circle. Put the shotty to your body, make your ass go in circles, Every day it's like a whole nother level. Looking at the ice on my chain, got me moving. Outside chopper, put his ass in the circle. He be living like he winning, but he ain't never won. Like, wait a minute, where you from? Got me moving off the swag, hey, mama with the bag, hey, Izzy Miyake got me fast, hey, open up a new round. They be talking but they fake, never been the same but I'm reckless, my bad, I had to beat the case. Never been the same but I'm looking at the money, put the shotty to your body. If you think I'm Illuminati overseas, gotta get it and I'm freestyling life. Oh, it's Bainaw, it's B-A-I-N-A-W, man, I'm from Chicago, bro. Wanna live with the crew, talking about the life but your ass can't live it. Looking at the people but they gone so crazy, staying at his head but that shit say icon. Wait a minute, get the money, it's my way. Looking back at this life, gotta choose this. Every day on the block trying to get this. Staying at the girl in the yellow, take your top off. Preach, preach, preach. Take your top off. Preach, preach, preach. Take your top off. Preach, preach, preach. Take your top off. Met the girl in the yellow with the cowgirl boots on my back on. Take your top off of that Lamborghini. Baby girl and she in a bikini. Shaking ass from the left and right. And the money got her on a different way. 2 lesbians riding the bike. Girl got her finger like, gay guy, pass us, don't fuck around, he gon' dish shot. Guy, a gay guy, and that's a gay dad with a tight shirt, goddamn. What the fuck they doing?
Bro, why you roasting, bro?
Don't be scared, this shot town, we in LA, I'm about to kill it. My bad, just right at Compton, me and them gon' blow it up. 4 of them, we was in the store, had to get the money for the fucking load, goddamn. I don't know, man.
Bro, shout out that Instagram and get for him.
Oh, it's B-A-I-N-A-W.
B-A-I-N-A-W. We got a little gold mine here of all ours. We're ending the ride, about to hit the arcade, but the boy Brian showed up, came through, reppin'. Look at all this. Ooh, gonna go on that, show them what's up with this basketball in here. All right, we're out at the Venice skate park now. People shredding out here. We've got Brian Ferrari right there. He said he's about to send it across on the little fucking scooter. Let's see what his intentions are. Yo, Brian! Get it! It's all you. No balls.
Let's go.
Yo, Brian, $100. All right, and we just got done ripping the birds. We've got the drone going up. Just got back, finally everybody regrouped. Of course, one of the birds ran out. Actually, Brian's phone died and his bird died. So we were stuck all the way down in Venice. If you guys know where Santa Monica is in relation to Venice, that's a pretty far walk. So we were trying to figure out how to solve that problem. But we finally made it back. We're gonna be heading back, I think, to the house. We just got some food, did a little bit of fun stuff, you know, at the arcade and whatnot. We actually won a ton of tickets there and had like probably 25 bucks in quarters left over and just gave it to this kid. So I wish I got his reaction on camera, but it was amazing. So a lot of fun to just kind of do that. Oh, I guess we're getting some photos. Heck yeah, that's gonna be sick. But yeah, other than that, I guess I'm gonna pick it up once we get to the house or wherever we're going in Hollywood. And just like that, we made it back from Santa Monica alive. Well, Brian, on a scale from 1 to 10, how fun was it?
Say a solid 11.
Solid 11. Had a lot of fun up there. Got to mess around on the birds. My car is extremely dirty. This is just not, I don't know if you guys can quite see this, just not okay. So I'm gonna have to get this clean and detailed tomorrow, but look at that view. Right there, just from the parking. And man, we're about to go inside, do some work, have a little bit of fun, get some stuff done. I've got to go check into my spot. I'm actually not staying up here in the hills tonight. And then, actually, I can't tell you guys exactly what I'm doing all week because that will be in a separate video, but I'm gonna head down towards Orange County to do that. So we'll see where the night takes us. All right, you guys, I have made it to my apartment here on Hollywood Boulevard, about 10 minutes from the house in the hills. And I've been working for like the past hour or so, and I'm actually headed back up there because we took a ton of Instagram photos actually with this phone, which by the way, I bought an iPhone 10, like the iPhone X the other day when I was still in Minnesota. And if you shoot on portrait mode, oh my gosh, just follow me on Instagram and wait for some of these. It looks so good, like it's already edited. You don't need to do anything to it. Freaking unreal. But yeah, I'll give you guys a quick tour of this place. Nothing too special, just a nice little 1-bedroom apartment here. I'll show you the view momentarily. Bathroom, bedroom. The spot's kind of cool. It's just a view of like the little pool, kind of the middle part of this apartment complex. I really like it. Got a little balcony. I like it because it's on Hollywood Boulevard. Like it's on Hollywood Boulevard. So really, really good spot, like 2 blocks from the Chinese theater, down a little bit more towards Beverly Hills if you guys know the area. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna be heading back up to the house in the hills. It's been fun so far. Gonna show you guys the view from up there at night. I have yet to see it because obviously I still got here. I just got here this morning. And tomorrow morning, gonna actually be looking at a couple of properties up here in LA and then headed down towards Orange County, which is where I'm gonna be spending the week. So other than that, let's jump in the car and head back up there. Oh, and by the way, I'm really sunburned from being out in Santa Monica. Not a good idea. Wear sunscreen, kids. But I'm actually gonna go grab some food as I'm on my way there. Probably some In-N-Out, you already know. Gotta hit it up when you're in the West Coast. But other than that, I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm there. I come bearing gifts.
Bearing gifts, no way, man.
We're gonna destroy these.
Bro, are there some
hot tamales and Whoppers. You're friggin' welcome, dude. Who's this? Brewer?
What up?
Why don't you say hi to the Bulls clan? Is that gonna be the YouTube family name? I still don't have one. He's got a lit kitchen. Just working up in here. Let's peep this. You got a parking violation?
I got 2 already.
That's lit. I remember last time on Mulholland, shout out. Yeah. That was funny as fuck. There's hella police out here. Ooh, baby, look at these views. Can never be in a negative mindset or a negative vibe when you have a view like this. So absolutely blessed to be here right now looking at this in person. It is just, words cannot describe it. I know you guys can see it, you know, it's a pretty good camera or whatever, but no, it's completely different. Looking at this, feeling this. Oh no, I just dropped my Beamer key off this ledge. Great. Anywho, still tough to be negative. You guys, what do you think of this view? What do you think? Is it a view or is it a view?
It's a view, man. You have to go upstairs and see.
Oh, okay. Dennis invited me up to the bedroom already. Slow down, man. You haven't even bought me dinner. Actually, I just bought you dinner. Look at that, hot tamales for dinner. I'm taking care of the boys. You're welcome. Yeah, let's jump in this koozie. Get a koozie vibe. All right, what was this upstairs view you're talking about, Dennis? What the fuck is that? Let's go find this. No. Da-na-na-na. Oh wow, it goes all the way to downtown.
I was like, I already did a whole bunch of work to the website.
Good luck, Dennis. We gotta mob out. It's 3 a.m. I will see you later today, technically.
Yeah, pretty much.
Sounds
Alright,
Gucci.
get out of my property.
We'll come work. I'll get out of the property and go to mine, because I have my own. I'm gonna leak your address, everyone. It's 8284 Hollywood Hills. All right, you guys, and we have made it back to the apartment. It's about 3 a.m. right now, so I'm gonna try and keep it down since there are other people in the building. But, you know, had a really great day. I still haven't slept that much in, like, honestly, the past week. So, got about 2 hours on the flight, and other than that, haven't slept in about 2 days. So, I'm gonna get some sleep, hopefully good 6 to 7 hours before I gotta get up in the morning, head back to the house, get some work done, and then go to a couple of meetings and appointments throughout the day, and then just continue on with what I got planned for the week. So, it should be fun if you guys want to see more vlog type content. I know that's what you've been requesting, but if you want some more, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. It does take a lot more to like film these and edit these, so if you guys really want them, I'm more than down to make them, but let me know in the comments section. And of course, if you did enjoy it, be sure to drop a like down below. And as always, join the family, join the gang by hitting that nice like and subscribe button, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow in the next video. Peace.